Wonder Tots! Welcome to Wonder Tots Learning Adventure. Today we're diving deep into the ocean to meet some incredible sea animals. Get ready to swim alongside a clownfish, glide with a sea turtle, and even say hello to a great white shark. We'll also explore the mysteries of jellyfish, octopuses, and starfish, and have fun with playful dolphins, tiny seahorses, gigantic whales, and the spooky anglerfish. So grab your snorkels and let's dive into this amazing underwater adventure. Clownfish. Clownfish are bright orange with white stripes, making them look like little swimming clowns in the ocean. Clownfish live in sea anemones, which are like their cozy, wavy homes. The anemone keeps them safe, and they help keep the anemone clean. Clownfish often swim in pairs, just like best friends who never want to be apart. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have flippers instead of feet, which help them glide through the water like underwater superheroes. Sea turtles can live for a very long time. Some even live to be over 100 years old, like wise old ocean grandmas and grandpas. Baby sea turtles hatch from eggs on the beach and then make a dash to the ocean as soon as they're born. It's like their first big adventure. Great white shark. Great white sharks have lots of sharp teeth, up to 300. They can grow new teeth throughout their life like a never-ending tooth fairy. Great white sharks are super speedy swimmers zooming through the water as fast as a car on the highway. When a great white shark swims near the surface, you can sometimes see its fins sticking out of the water, just like in a game of peekaboo. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have soft, squishy bodies that look like wobbly, jiggly jelly floating in the ocean. Some jellyfish can glow in the dark, lighting up the ocean like magical underwater nightlights. Jellyfish don't have brains, hearts, or bones, but they still swim around and catch their food using their long, wavy tentacles. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 long, wiggly arms called tentacles, and each one has tiny suction cups for grabbing things. Octopuses can change their color and even their texture to blend in with their surroundings, just like underwater superheroes with camouflage powers. Octopuses can squeeze through tiny spaces, and if they need to escape quickly, they squirt out a cloud of ink and zoom away. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms that make them look just like a shiny star in the ocean. If a starfish loses one of its arms, it can grow a new one, just like magic. Underneath their arms, starfish have hundreds of tiny tube feet that help them crawl along the ocean floor like a slow-motion dance. Dolphin. Dolphins love to jump and flip out of the water, showing off their amazing acrobatics like ocean performers. Dolphins are super chatty and make lots of different sounds like clicks and whistles to talk to each other. Dolphins always look like they're smiling because of the shape of their mouths. They're the happiest looking creatures in the sea. Seahorse. Seahorses have curly tails that they use to hold on to seaweed, like tiny underwater monkeys. In the seahorse world, it's the daddies who carry the babies in a special pouch on their belly until they're ready to swim out. Seahorses are some of the slowest swimmers in the ocean, moving along with tiny little fins that flutter like wings. Whale. Whales are the biggest animals on Earth. Some are even bigger than school buses. Whales love to sing. They make beautiful, long songs that can be heard underwater for miles and miles. Whales breathe through a blowhole on top of their heads, and when they come up for air, they spout water like a big ocean fountain. Anglerfish. Anglerfish have a special glowing fishing rod on their heads that they use to attract other fish, just like a built-in nightlight. Anglerfish live way down in the dark, deep ocean where almost no light reaches. It's like living in an underwater cave. Anglerfish have huge mouths with sharp teeth, and they can swallow prey that's almost as big as they are in one big gulp. Wow, Wonder Tots! What a splash-tastic adventure we had today. We met so many amazing sea creatures, from the colorful clownfish to the gentle sea turtle, the mighty great white shark, and even the deep-sea anglerfish. We learned that the ocean is full of wonders and friends waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining me on Wonder Tots Learning Adventure. Keep exploring and discovering new things every day. See you next time for another exciting adventure. Bye-bye.